I just woke up and Anthropic just launched Claude Design, a brand new design tool which is separate from their Claude Code and other Claude platforms, which offers very unique features which help it stand out from tools like Google Stitch or Figma Make. This is 4 or 5 very interesting features, and one of these features makes it the ultimate AI designer, essentially. Without further ado, let's check out whether Claude Design can actually beat its competitors. Now, you can start with a simple or detailed prompt. You can even upload things like documents, Excel sheets, etc., so that you can import data into your design, not just lorem ipsum basic text. After you design something, you can actually click on this tweaks button. A drop down appears and you can type in the requirements that you want, the changes that you want in your design. It builds this sort of checklist format. Every check mark is basically a step in producing the final design, so you can see exactly what it's understood and what actions and tasks it is doing to finish that design. You can make instant prototypes with this. Ask it to either create something from scratch or import your designs to create prototypes. It creates these nice little, very realistic looking prototypes. You will be able to navigate the prototype easily. Each button is actionable. So it's basically trying to create something more complete rather than a basic one page to the other navigation only. And these tweaks also come visually. So if you'd like to make quick visual tweaks, the tweaks panel pops up on the right, and you can quickly change things like colors, typography. So it's not just pure AI, it also has like a little design properties window on the right. Something that actually excites me and surprised me was this little action which allows you to tweak the actual design tool itself. So these tweaks, if I wanted to add more tweaks to this, I just ask Anthropic or Claude to add tweak options. So if I wanted a dark mode switcher, it would give me a dark mode switcher right below the properties window. If I wanted a tweak that would change border radius, I can add that. I can ask the AI tool to build on the AI tool, which is insane. No other tool has done this. All the other tools have fixed settings and fixed tweaks. This, you can expand and create your own design tool essentially. It has a knobs feature, which is a cute little way of saying quick edits. So basically it allows you to select text, images, content, and change that text. Change the font, change the sizing. Things that you can quickly make changes with. Again, you can add custom controls to this. If you want dark mode or if you want a font switcher or something, you can add it. Now with this tool, you can even build things like 3D experiences. So if you want a 3D experience with WebGL where, there's a jungle and you can stroll through that jungle, yes, you can create a game with it. Or if you want to build a presentation, a PPT, you can build that. Whatever kind of creative tasks you want to do, it's not just for app design or web design. It's for like a plethora of tasks. So it gives you that flexibility, what kind of design you want, graphics for social media or a YouTube thumbnail. Of course, at the end, there are a lot of exporting options. You have, of course, PPT. If you've created a presentation, export as PPT. If you want to export it to Canva to do graphic design edits, they've collaborated with Canva to have a seamless integration. And you can even send it to Claude Code. Unfortunately, to keep the competition out of the bay, they have not included things like Figma export or Webflow export, things like that. They want to keep you on Claude. So Claude Design to Claude Code, it's mostly that. Now they are promoting a creative workflow which is natural to designers. So you can import your brand guidelines and your design systems at the start during onboarding. So the onboarding process involves you to import designs, assets, whatever you like, to help Claude follow that. It supports all major file formats, so PPTs, Excels, docs, those are there, and even import from your website. So if you have a live website, you can just add the link and it will import everything from that website. One place where Claude might lose out on the race is the fact that it only offers these features, Claude Design, that only offers Claude Design to its Claude Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise users only. So unlike all the other design tools I share here, which are free, like Google Stitch was free up till a certain limit, they're just not offering a free tier. Alright guys, that is it for this update. Just woke up and just wanted to quickly shoot this for you guys. If you want more such design content every week, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also ring that bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care. God bless.